Hello dear learner, welcome again. In previous video we have started our second chapter, Children at Work, and we have read about Velu, a small boy who runs away from his home and reached at Chennai Central, and there he met with a girl. They both were going for the search of food. Now let's see what happened next, where they have found food. In first part we have seen Velu was very hungry and the girl asked him if he wants some food she can arrange for him. And then at first Velu got confused. He thought he should go or not, but finally he decided to go and Velu went behind her. Velu caught up with the girl as she was leaving the station. Velu followed her through the crowded streets. He was frightened by the heavy traffic on the road. Smoke and dust flew at him from all sides, and it making his head spin, means it giving headache to Velu. The girl helped him to cross the road with her. You can see in picture. They walked along the side of the road. There were huge signboards above them. The writing was all in English. Velu understood nothing. This showed that he did not know English. He has seen on picture banyans, car tires, pans, a woman holding a box, but he did not understood anything because he did not know English language. Then a central jail came near him, and Jaya said to him that if you are not careful, you will soon arrested by the police there. Then Velu asked why, if I have not done any mistake. Then Jaya warned him, police do not like rag pickers. As I have told you, Jaya is a rag picker. Then Velu asked to her that what she was carrying in her bag, and Jaya replied, things, bottles, paper, etc. So let's see what happened next. Finally they reached a marriage hall which name was Sri Raj Rajeshwari Prasanna Kalyan Mandapam. Dear students, as we know, this story belongs from Calcutta, means South India, and the language of South India is Tamil. So this name is in Tamil language. So what happened there? There was a big garbage bin. Garbage bin means where we hold garbage. And there was a foul smell. Foul smell means rotten smell, which was coming out from the bin. And crowd of flies burst around their legs. Means a lot of flies were there. Children, you must have seen how the litter bin always full of flies, no? Now let's see what happened there. Jaya was searching for something in bin, and then she find a crushed banana and a vada, and then she threw it towards Velu to eat. Then Velu was shocked. He asked if they were going to eat the leftovers. Dear children, as we know, Velu belongs from village, and he was not used to eat like this in village. They used to cook food and then they eat. This was not done by him earlier, so he was little hesitant. Can you just imagine, children? The life is so poor in the city of poor people. They have to search food in the garbage bins. Can you imagine that? How pathetic their life is. But overall, he was so hungry and there was no other option in front of Velu. So he ate the banana as well as the vada. And the girl could find only one more banana from the leftovers. Dear student, leftover means food which remain after use. And then she ate herself this banana. Now let's see what happened next. Jaya took him to own home, and it was a slum house. Dear students, slum means an area of a city where living conditions are extremely bad. In Hindi we can say Garibon ki basti. So the slum house was made of broken steel, sheets and other useless materials like an old tire, plastic sheets and bricks. To see the house, Velu got surprised and started to compare her house with his own house in village, which were made of mud and palm leaves. So the comparative study been going on. Then the girl Jaya goes around one of the huts and she just put it there and picks up another sack which was empty one. Means she dumped her sack outside and then she get another sack which was empty one. She then throws a pair of old shoes towards Velu. You can see in picture. And she also gave him a big sack as she has and asked him to come with her. You can see in picture also she is giving a sack to Velu. Velu is a little confused by the work he has been joined with Jaya, as he had worked only on a landowner's farm, means he had worked only in farm like weeding and grazing cows. Then puzzled or confused Velu asked if there were any farm in the city. Then Jaya replied that there are no farm in the city and they were rag pickers. Rag pickers means who picks the waste things. Velu had never done this kind of work and he is very puzzled about picking rubbish things. Then Jaya explains Velu, I am a rag picker. Rag picking is my profession. I pick up the waste things and then I sell it, or whatever money I get, it makes my living. And when he came to know that she is selling that waste and she is getting money also of it, he was again surprised like anything. Then how can waste sold and it can be a profession? So he was bit confused. Then the girl asked to him, would you like to come with me? Would you like to take up the same profession of rag picking? And then he had no other option than to say yes to that girl. Because if he would not earn, then how he would able to survive in the big city? And then he said yes to Jaya and they both started doing rag picking. He started doing rag picking, but somewhere in the heart and the mind of child it was going on that no, I have to change my job. Means he did not like this job. So somewhere he knew his heart and mind that no, this job is not made for me and I am not going to do this particular job. I will do it for now, but later on I will switch to some other job in the future. Means he did not want to do this work. He hated this work. So dear children, this is the story of Velu, the child who came from the village. How he became a rag picker in the company of a girl whose name is Jaya and who helped him a lot how to stay and survive in a city which is very big and busy city. And she helped him in dealing with things in the city. So ultimately we can say Velu molded himself in the city in the form of a rag picker. So this was the story of a small boy, Velu. Dear children, I hope you understood the story. Dear students, now you have to search objective type question from the chapter, because very soon there will be your unit test and you have seen the pattern of online exam in your practice test. So read the chapter carefully and try to make objective type question from chapters. Don't distract your mind from studies. Keep practicing, keep motivated. Thank you.